Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pineapple jam using canned pineapple. This easy method is perfect for beginners and yields a vibrant, sweet spread. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 packet of liquid pectin. Get ready to create a delightful homemade treat. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. First, drain your 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple very well. Removing excess liquid is crucial for the jam's consistency. Next, measure out 2 cups of granulated sugar precisely. We'll also need 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, which brightens the flavor and helps the pectin activate. Finally, have your 1 packet of liquid pectin ready to go. It's time to cook our jam. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, combine the drained pineapple, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Bring this mixture to a full rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Once boiling, quickly stir in the 1 packet of liquid pectin. Continue boiling vigorously for exactly 1 minute, then remove from heat. Almost done. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, leaving 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal, then apply new lids and screw bands finger tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath canner for 10 minutes. Once cooled and sealed, your delicious homemade pineapple jam is ready to enjoy or store for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.